AMP Introduction. Welcome. AMP is an online aircraft maintenance and status tracking solution, developed by Avdex for the aviation industry. Aircraft are added to online maintenance schedules, which cater for the different types of requirements found on aircraft. Owners and their contracted AMOs may then be notified of upcoming maintenance requirements. A maintenance schedule is generated for each type of aircraft. These schedules contain the various maintenance tasks with standard maintenance periods. The task period can be a number of different types including date, hours, cycles, recurring or once-off. Airworthiness directives and service bulletins are included. Once an aircraft is linked to the maintenance schedule, current overhaul and maintenance information is captured as a baseline for scheduling. Ongoing flight usage is captured on a regular basis to keep track of future maintenance requirements. Valuable reports may be generated to show the current status of all tasks in a maintenance schedule and those that will be due shortly. These reports assist owners in schedule maintenance time and budgets. Records management. It is the purpose of Avdex AMP to provide the aircraft operator with full history including hours and cycles. Maintain the following records for each aircraft. An updated maintenance plan per aircraft. All components and life-limited parts including traceability. All aircraft technical logbook pages. Every scheduled check package. Every repair or overhaul work order. A record of all parts shop visits reports. A record of all service bulletins, airworthiness directives and modifications carried out on the aircraft. A record of all repairs carried out on the aircraft. Copies of all certificate of release to service. User registration. Using a preferred browser, access the Avdex website link to register on AMP. https://amp.avdex.net/account/register. Access the site and follow the instructions. Ensure that our policy related to the POPIA Act and protection of personal information is read and understood. The username must contain the name and surname with one full stop separating the two. A minimum length is required for the two parts, i.e. name, surname. The username is not case sensitive. Generic names such as planning@abc are discouraged as user input traceability is paramount. Enter unique email address. Generic address such as planning@abc is discouraged as user input traceability is paramount. Enter unique password. Password will ensure privacy and aid in recording user work functions in the audit trail. Confirm password. Passwords are required to be a minimum of 6 characters in length. Make sure that all fields are completed. Do not press the submit key multiple times as access is set by the Avdex office after validating the user. User will be prompted to send the Avdex office an email. This email will enable Avdex to link all related aircraft and assign the correct access levels. Once this is done, the new account will be activated and the user will be able to log into AMP and view all linked aircraft.